Here we are at the get-together. We're going to do dual filming. Malk over there, he's got like 3 hours of sleep going. These guys running a one-lunger. Here's the dock. There he is. We got lots of saws coming out. Bonfire going. Got my saws there. Got somebody else's saws over there. We got my workstation here. We got Cindy over manning the kitchen here. It's great. Good to go. Should be a fun day. Lots of nice wood here to do some cutting. We've already cut with a couple of 262s. Mine's not quite as strong as Randy's, but that's to be expected. So, Mastermind, I bow to your greatness, and we will keep videoing throughout the day. Take a little more video of the get-together here. We got all kinds of stuff happening. We got to move the logs, so they've got the thumb over coming. We got all kinds of different people here. It's been great fun so far. A lot of saws, a lot of fun. Very interesting meeting everybody, putting names to faces. Here comes Paragon Builder. It's his place, so he's got the excavator, and we're gonna get this moved and do some more cutting. We got some other guys taking some videos, so I'm sure other videos will pop up with the actual cuts. We're having a good time. Here's my 385. Really cutting. Everybody's cutting. Everything from a 55 over here to a Dolmar, actually Makita Home Depot special over there. An antique right there. Look at that. I don't even know what that is. My 350s are over here. We're just about to break for lunch, but we got these guys out here having a good old time. Work here. 372 running over there. Couple of little saws. Got a hit and miss going over there for whatever reason. That's the heck of it, I guess. Good turnout today. Probably about 15 guys here, so. A couple of guys trying to start saws. We got lunch about ready, so we'll see you after lunch. Now we're singing. Firewood cut this afternoon. Basically everybody's run what they want to run, and now we're